What is a black hole, really? We call them black holes and think of them as cosmic pits, or holes with no bottom that anything that falls in is lost forever. That idea is only half true, though. A black hole is not a hole in space, and it is not empty either. So what is it? These things are the most mysterious things in the universe. They are huge amounts of matter squeezed into a space so small that the laws of physics say, we don't know. Some people think of black holes as big, scary creatures that travel through space looking for stars, planets, and maybe even us to eat. Before we start to worry about that, let's ask a more useful question. What black hole is closest to Earth? Should we be scared? Scientists only confirmed the closest known black hole in 2022, which was surprising. They used precise data from the Gaia Space Observatory. It is about 1,560 light-years away, or 9 quadrillion miles. It would still take 28 million years for Voyager 1, the fastest spacecraft made by humans, to get there if it went straight at it at 38,000 miles per hour. So no, there isn't a cosmic vacuum just outside the solar system that wants to pull us away. We are completely safe at that distance. But fear lives on because our gut feelings about the universe are wrong. We think of gravity as a cosmic vacuum cleaner that pulls things in. Black holes don't suck. They bend space and time so much that when you get too close, there is only one way to go: inside. The event horizon is an invisible, unforgiving line that marks the edge of the universe. Cross it, and you will no longer exist in the universe we can see. Not destroyed, but hidden away for good. Light, which is the fastest thing we know, bends back toward the dark. It isn't swallowed by force, but by geometry. You could still fire your engines and get away if you went outside that line. In there, it wouldn't matter if you went 99.999% the speed of light. Space-time itself is slanted down, which pulls you toward the one thing, a place where mass is squeezed into a point that is so small and dense that our equations break down. A hole in reality. A sign that the universe still has secrets it doesn't want to share. You might think that black holes are monsters that will last forever and eat everything. But the universe has a surprise in store. Stephen Hawking found out that black holes let out energy in the form of a faint whisper known as Hawking radiation. There are particle-antiparticle pairs popping in and out of existence all the time in space that looks empty. One particle falls into a black hole while the other escapes, taking a small amount of energy with it. A black hole shrinks, fades, and finally disappears over an unimaginable amount of time. Even the most terrible monsters die in the end. Here's another brain teaser. If the sun suddenly turned into a black hole without losing any mass, the Earth's orbit would stay the same. Yes, we would freeze in the dark, but we wouldn't be drawn in. The mass and distance of an object determine how much gravity it has, not how scary it looks. There are two main types of black holes that astronomers know about. Black holes with stellar mass. When supernovas explode, the cores of giant stars that are 20 or 30 times heavier than the sun collapse under their own weight. The result is a black hole that is only tens of miles wide, but millions of billions of times denser than anything on Earth. Black holes that are very big. They are hiding in the centers of galaxies, even our own. The one in the Milky Way, Sagittarius A*, weighs as much as 4 million suns. But its average density near the event horizon is surprisingly low, even lower than water, because it is so big. Not density, but mass, controls gravity. This makes me wonder, where did these giants come from? Black holes with the mass of stars. It's simple. Stars die, cores collapse, and black holes form. But supermassive black holes are not the same. They are too big to have come from just one star, and some of them showed up when the universe was still very young, long before stars had lived long enough to blow up. So how did they come to be? A few brave ideas from scientists are, maybe they were born when huge clouds of gas collapsed directly on top of them. Or maybe they started out small and grew into giants by merging and eating. No matter what the truth is, black holes are still the most dramatic way to tell a story in the universe. They are places where physics stops working, light disappears, and time itself gives up. They don't just question what we know. They question what we can know. Because there is an answer hidden in the dark behind that event horizon that we are not yet ready to understand.